everybody. I am Jordan. Today I'm going to make devil eggs. And here is my brother Michael. He's going to help me. We have boiled eggs. Me and Michael are going to peel it. Peeling and we discarded the shells. We have to cut the eggs, so we have to call Mama to help us. Mama, help us!
Coming. Hello. So, what are we making?
Hello, we are making devil eggs.
So, you called me. What do you want me to do?
Can you cut the eggs for us?
Sure. Just give me a moment. So, we are going to take the eggs now and carefully cut them. Okay, in half. Slowly. Yes. And we are going to take the yolk and we are going to put it in a separate bowl.
Whoa,
Like
look
so.
at all that books.
Yes. Just make sure that the egg does not break.
Or else we will have to. Or else.
See, that came out easy.
Yes. We have done cutting the eggs and we separated the yolk. We are going to add ingredients to the yolk. Michael, can you pass me the mayo, please? One more. Michael, can you add some garlic powder?
Sure, I'll put it. Some dry herbs we are gonna add.
We are going to add coriander leaves.
Next we have some salt and pepper we are gonna add it in.
See.
This is some mustard sauce.
We are going to start squeezing some lemon. We are adding all of the ingredients. We are going to whisk it in. And whisk.
We are done whisking
We are
and we are gonna put it into the whisking bag.
Again.
With Mama help!
Okay, so we put this into the piping bag. So we are done filling. Now we are going to push the batter to the corner and get our piping bag ready for piping out the. So you can see that we have put the entire batter to the corner of this plastic bag. We have secured it with the rubber band so that it does not leak. Now we are going to cut this edge very little with this scissor. And we are going to just test it out a little bit.
It's working.
Now it's ready. So me and Jordan are going to pipe it into the empty shells.
We are done filling up the yolk. We are going to decorate it. See, they're done.
Don't need to
We'll
fry,
have to
just-
taste the full taste.
Try full
We
Fatima.
added. Michael, do you want to try some?
Sure thing.
How's it? Yummy.
দিয়েছে
Yummy. Try it.